I don't think people understand how unpredictable nature can be. Today, I will show you how to get the best preparation for any natural disaster of your life. First things first, knowledge is your best tool. Stay informed about the types of disasters likely to occur in your area. Next, build an emergency kit. This isn't just any box of goodies. Think water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, and don't forget a flashlight with extra batteries. Now let's talk about your escape plan. Practice makes perfect, so run drills with your family or housemates. Know your routes and have a meeting point. And remember, during a disaster, local services might be stretched. Learn basic survival skills like how to purify water or start a fire without matches. Lastly, keep your head up and your spirits high. Staying positive can sometimes be the toughest part, but it's also the most crucial. Prepared, informed, and positive. That's how you outlast any natural disaster.